J Sounds.
Wami yogurt. Warriors here. Kumasi never did today. Come on, fresh and fresh it today.
No, he did not.
He did, girl. He did. Like, I caught him on several occasions cheating. I confronted him, and he's still doing it.
I mean, all I can say is follow your heart. However, you do not deserve to be treated like that. You're way too beautiful. You have way too much going for yourself. I don't agree with being cheated on. If he can't be faithful, let him go. Let his ass go.
I just want someone to talk to, and I know, like, I came to the right person. Because, girl, I've been down. Like, he put me through so much, and I tolerated it because I thought he was going to change. That's what he kept telling me, but no, he's not. He's not changing.
Being down is a feeling. Just don't stay there. You know what I'm saying? What Cardi say, knock you down 9 times and I get up 10. Okay?
Yeah, this is my 10th time. I'm done.
So you get up and you're done, and you stick to it. You stick to your guns, and you believe in yourself every day. Like, you can do this. And when he come around, don't. No.
Hopefully, I could resist him.
Listen, sometimes you take a break, and then you always someone better. It's always someone better. You deserve the best. You know, I really I admire you. You're great. Like, you know, you're great. And when you believe you're great, you attract that great energy. So he's not the end all be all.
Thank you so much.
I love you too.
Why are you not picking my calls? Why are you not picking my calls? Hi, good evening.
Good evening.
Yeah, how you doing? Yeah. You good?
I'm okay. Are you good?
I'm not good. She's not picking my calls. I've been calling for the past 4 fucking days now. What's wrong with you?
I said it's over.
It's over. Why?
We're done.
You done with
After
who?
everything you put me through?
What did I put you
Boy,
through? Oh, come on. Listen.
You know.
Listen. You can't do this to me. I wouldn't be the one I would see you. You understand me?
I'll keep forgiving you. I'm done. This is the last draw for me. I can't anymore. I really can't.
You really can't. You just ran up on her cursing at her, seeming like you want another chance, and you can't even be kind.
No, I'm just. She don't pick my call for Christ's sake for 4 good days now.
Does she have 4 good reasons why she's not picking up your call?
I don't know.
Yeah.
I don't know. What happened? What happened?
You want me to explain again?
Excuse me. Yes, yeah, you know
everything.
Oh, come on.
You know everything. You put me through the worst.
Listen.
And I
cheated
know
on
everything
me.
too.
And you know everything too. Is that what you're telling me? That means only didn't come on. You've been
That's
talking
my
to
best
her.
friend. Who am I supposed to talk to? That's my best friend. I know you have friends. Go talk to them. Explain whatever you did to me if they're gonna think it's fair.
Are you trying to tell me this in front of your
It's
friend?
over.
That doesn't look like love.
That's it too, man. Jeanette, do you know how many years we've been going
And you know what I did for you? You never cherished me. You were so ungrateful. I've done everything for you. I brought you to this country. I've saved your ass. Like, what else do you want me to do? You want me to die before you could actually appreciate me now? No. What's up?
No, please. Please, don't leave me. Jeanette, please. Talk to your
Girl, he on his knees, but I think respect is everything in this life. That's what I think. I think respect is everything in this life. And so is loyalty.
So what?
And that's where I stand.
Sure, let's go. If I keep seeing him, I might change my mind.
It's J Sounds.
Wami yogurt. Warriors here. Kumasi never did today. Come on, fresh and fresh it today. Kumudesa, mumatuke.
Why are you doing this, Abena? Until do we achieve any match? Is that what you're doing to me? Talk to me.
Do
Talk,
not
talk,
yell
talk.
at her. You're yelling at her in the street. What? What is that? What is that?
Janelle, listen.
No, you listen. You're being disrespectful to my friend, and you have disrespected her throughout your relationship, and I don't agree with it. I don't agree with it.
Do you know what I do with
You're
what?
standing next to him after all he's done. I can't support this. I can't support this. I am, and you crying all the time. You going broke, helping him. It's just like, no, he out here doing whatever, cheating. Then got the nerve to be dipping and dabbing in God knows what in the street. Like, no, absolutely not. No, I can't support this. I just cannot support
And then
this.
why are you doing this? Why are you putting salt in my matters?
No,
Huh?
no, I'm putting love.
What?
I'm feeling your. I'm
She's
feeling
right.
her
You
up
put me through
with
so
love.
much. I don't want to change my mind. I'm done.
So now she decides for you, right?
No, that's my friend. She wants the best for me.
And I don't want the best for you. Is that what you're telling me?
No, no, you wouldn't treat her like that. It would be no one else that you see.
Do you know how far you've come? You've come a long way.
A long way to nowhere.
What are you talking about? So nowhere, we are somewhere. I'm getting married to her next year.
No.
It's always next year. It's always next year.
Where is your boyfriend? Conflict woman. Where is your boyfriend? Why don't you
Not
go to
pointing and yelling in my face in the street. That's for sure.
What are you talking about? I've been in a relationship. It's my relationship. You're trying to destroy my relationship for me.
No, you did that yourself. You did that yourself.
What did I do? Stop doing what you're doing.
What did he do?
He keep acting confused, like you don't know what you did.
You
You
woman.
cheated.
You-
You did a whole lot of stuff.
You cheated.
And it
Haven't you
wasn't
cheated
once.
before?
Hell no.
Hell yes, I can put it to you.
Let me see. Receipts. Receipts.
I
Not
can give you
AI. Not AI. Receipts. We deal with truth over here. And that's why you're so mad. I'm telling you the truth.
I'm not
So
listening.
let's go to this party, cause
Who do I
Yes,
have?
let's go.
yes, yes.
You're living. You are too far.
She just opened my eyes. You put me through so much. I can't. Like, you
Bye.
put me through so much.
Bye. Bye.
Hopefully you don't treat nobody else like that again. 'Cause-
Let's go.
Bye. Bye, boy.
Alright.
No, Abena me, darling.
Janae.
No way he's still following us.
Janae.
Is he literally still following us?
Woman, you want me to
Like-
just go back just like
Where
that?
are you gonna follow us to next? One time it's the beach. Now you're here. You're just
Listen,
randomly popping up places.
I'm taking
Way
you
too
guys
much.
out. Where you guys are going to chill. I'm gonna pay it for you. I'm gonna take you guys. I'm
Do
gonna
we
treat
look
you
like
guys.
we need it?
You can't spend my money on that. I'm going to do that because I love you. You're my girlfriend, and then we have issue, and I'm trying to solve the issue.
What's wrong if you spend the
You've done a lot for me because you have a lot. I ain't got nothing.
All right, take us out. Then.
Girl, I ain't
Done.
never
Like,
gonna
this
tell
is
you
a
not to
goodbye.
take his money, but I'm not going out with him.
Hey, Randy, you know, Bruni, you crowd watch it.
Hey,
Auntie, why? Why are you doing this to me?
why have you done what you've done to her?
It's
That
past and
is
gone.
the question.
It's past
Don't
and
question
gone.
me.
It's past and
Question
gone.
yourself.
Listen, I've questioned myself. It's past and gone. So let her understand.
It's past and gone. Then you do good. Then here comes another situation, and it's past and gone. And then you do good, and then you do something even worse. And then every time I'm left there picking up the pieces of my best friend's broken heart. Tired of it. Tired of it.
That's a myth.
Look at her. Beautiful. Beautiful.
And you cheated on me?
Exactly. You do not.
Picking up action.
Huh? Why? Are you listening to her? Huh?
I'm her best friend.
Gina, I don't like what you're doing.
I don't like you pointing at me.
I
Not to
don't
shout-
like what you're doing. I don't like what you're doing.
I don't like what you have done.
Come again, what I've done is past and gone. I'm
It's
telling
not
you.
fast and gone when it comes to matters of the heart. She's not okay because you keep hurting her. She's my best friend. She's a beautiful, educated woman, and she has supported you through the drugs, through the cheating, through the brokenness, do the everything, and you still continue with the fuckery. Get your shit together. But you need to do that on your own.
Yeah.
I'm done.
You done?
I'm done. Yeah, thank you for opening my eyes. Like, I'm done.
Abena, you are done.
There's no turning back this time. No.
She's done.
You know,
That's
I'm
what
sorry.
I heard.
You listen, tell her to give me one more chance.
I did. 15 chances ago.
Thank you. How many chances do you want in life?
Goodbye.
You only have one
J
life.
Sound.
Let's go.
Kwame, you got
It's a beautiful
warriors
morning.
here.
All the things. Like,
Never
all,
did
like,
Come on, fresh and fresh today. Umudesa, umatuke. Make a feeling that then feel up to pay.
Hey. But you so crying. Abena, yo. Couldn't this have put down for your chipa, Luso Akrawi? Ah, Debbie. My friend. Ah, Dado. Some of your Dado. Dado. Dado, okay, okay. Unya pick. Dado, Charlie, now. Who are you, my brother? Oh, good. Charlie, I beg, the SC they just obey. Charlie. Debbie, immigration, the assam. Men are dear Makoyobi. I have Abena. Charlie, and you have to be for me, the tennis. On Madame for Sahara Jamaica, you say, where you have a black hand, why America was a catan in the number. Unia, I plan to serve Musa, I plan this was 1 minute to be moved. And they says one friend to see who may be 1 hour, Kushana, and then I didn't come out, be Lusaka, and no here. Debbie, also who pay for no sir, a black American, I know, a catan in the number. Unia friends to see what is a one shed and you're busy one for so. And your patch of friend and son of us, so bit my shan can I do come out. What friend come at me about? What a friend and Patricia and mammy, why Miss Show? And then didn't come there, Miss Sir White. I would have tried a friend, mammy. Why, my patch me the whole do be any mammy. Thank you, my brother. Unia, ya, Casaka Cray, what to me for you, the interest why, so they're the white. You must be a friend, you now, really, I can't choose to lose this girl, Miss Show. Thank you so very much, Minia. Minia, no, why, Miss Show? I you, you must be a friend. Me that's it, bye bye. What's it? Hey, Abena. No.
It's J Sound.
Kwame, you got warriors here.
Hello, bro. Yeah, we'll go down. Okay, all right.
It's J Sound.
Hey, long time. How are you? Good. Thank you.
So how you guys doing?
So great. We're just there chilling, you know. She's comfortable.
Let me try this show. Let me make it a very short story. Kumasi is my friend. Listen, I know you, man. I can feel it. I mean, you're sure right now, so just feeling everything that is going on. So, he called me. He said, "Oh, I know, he's a human being. So, we can find ourselves, and then we are the same person to forgive ourselves. So, I think you guys have come along. So, feel it through the way he's speaking that he has changed. Everything that he's doing shows that he has changed. He's a changed person right now. So I wouldn't even come here just to beg or like plead on his behalf. I can see he's a changed person. Do you understand? I know. I know everything from day one. I know everything, so that's why I'm just.
No female deserve that.
I know.
Like, no person, like, and what I'm thinking of for him, I'll just listen to you because she knows already.
I'll stay quiet.
No, don't stay quiet. You can say whatever you want to say. Like, say anything.
It's only so many excuses you can make for a person before it's like once you choose yourself.
You know, like I said, he's a changed person right now. So, in my opinion, I think you can just give him another chance.
I've given him like 15 chances. 15 chances.
15, I know 15 is a lot, but nobody can do that except you. I know he loves you.
No, my cup is over. No, I'm done. I'm done.
I know you done, but please. To me, I'm not expecting you to just agree with me right now. Please, just think about it.
Andy, if the table were would you be coming to Kumasi to defend her for everything she would have done? If she did the same exact things that he has done, she's been a junker.
Yeah, 100%. I will be the one to even.
It's never given that happen.
I'm just a fixer. When you come back here and say what you say to me,
I know it hurts so much. Like, you're doing a lot. I know, but
I'm taking you as a brother.
no, that's what. See, I'll be glad, I'll be happy to see you in Kumasi. Like, wedding day, I'll be the best man.
She may continue to go to sports and meet MC proms.
I know, but he's a changed person right now.
But the last time, Andy, I remember you standing. I feel like you're standing in that spot.
Okay,
Depending on you're a good man. You're a good man.
let me say. Now, you understand? So, but see, like I said, I would have done this to anybody if it was her doing the same thing to myself. I don't want my sister to be treated like that, but this is the situation. We need to let peacefully.
And sometimes the best way to do that is by separation.
But sometimes the separation, I understand that, but let's take this way. Now, if you really agree to separate both of you, who is going to get hurt more? I know you are hurt. Listen, I know you are hurt. I know you are hurt already. And I don't want you to repeat whatever that he did in the past.
I think sometimes
I appreciate that you're good at it, but don't hesitate to call me if you get the message.
But
But try and call me and get confused. You know, bye, okay? That's the very reason for yourself.
okay, you too.
But you don't call me. Try and call me. Tomorrow, call me tomorrow. Okay, listen, this is what we're going to do. Tomorrow evening,
It's J Sound.
Kwame, you got warriors here.
Papa Kumasi.
Never did today.
This is the faction. I'm so many da. Hey, meaning I'm sad. I'm not slow.
I'm done. Like, after my bread, like, I'm done. It's over. OVER. It's over.
So I'm very bad to get back.
I think yeah, we should
I know, say, the difference in amount of mediation.
I don't go together anymore. I don't. I can't sleep, I can't eat, I can't do anything.
Daddy, okay, Casano. The enemy man can't you, Kumasi. I put you bed, man, farmer. Eh? I put you bed, man, farmer. What's good here? What for you? I know, say, hey, yeah. What I said, you will say, yeah, but you the Macoswan and Nakasa. So, also offer me. What I said, or respectable offer me into the Macoswan and Nakasa. To the Papa Cream. Name who says, why we change person. You see, what's the son? What's the son? It's the American say. The American say. Tea. And my way, the boo, a bamboo, a downfall of a man is not the end of his life. What I say?
They will say that, but she's not coming back to me anymore.
Obeba.
She's not coming back to me.
They say Obeba. Trust me, Obeba. They never can Wama, Abrabono. Was it a Busiani Bepa, now put your hand out to Ghana, or can say me before no public. Who be I yet? On one, Abamodia, the Waba. And what? There was in the me, there be your family make us out. But the enemy coming down. Obesa, Obesa. Oh, and then I was a son. I feel no swap about. And then I was saying, I don't know swap about. Into the papa to me, you ain't a menu. I mean, because one in Casa was a son. Why?
I said, oh, the uncle, and I was a man and I don't know.
And you swim myself. And if I don't think what he also creates myself. I watch I must say, listen, and yes, sir, and my mister with you. What I, Massa, who can you be saying? Me, I'm a local, but what I'm a child. Oh, you who's I'm a what? It's okay.
They are going out, so just go there.
Yeah, what he said.
Oh, yeah, how you doing? Yo, you see, they are going there. Yo, Shashi. I'm ready to do it. You didn't want me, eh? Oh, the Mijale. That's guys of Lazarus.
Warriors here.